Hola, dude. Okay, so you've got some new pickups. A little shiny there, but they're in place. Turns out there was nothing wrong with the blender knob. What happened was a solder joint broke off the end pin here, and the red ground cord going from that thing going to this popped off, and that's what turned it off. As soon as I soldered it back on, worked like a charm. So pull the old pickups out, put the new ones in, and you've got your flat wound strings. So just to show you that it does work, okay, so here's your blender knob right here. So here's your volume. Turn all the way down, no problem. Turn all the way back up, we have noise. Blender knob, flip it all the way this way to the left. This pickup, flip it all the way to the right. This pickup, turn it till it clicks right into the middle, and you've got both pickups. These two guys on the end over here, honestly, I wouldn't even touch them. Because one, when you turn it all the way back, it's better forward. All the way back, just thins it out. Not sure what that does. And this one right here, all the way back, that's your bass. Kind of muddy. Flip it all the way forward. So it doesn't sound bad. Flat wounds are kind of interesting. Anyways, it works.